Thank you very much for being here. First thing is, what is the cloud? So please, anyone in the audience, tell me what's the cloud for you. It's a data center, that's correct. Any other thought? Short phrase? Okay, that's correct. Yeah, it's also, there's a definition where Richard Stallman said that the cloud doesn't exist, it's somebody else's computer. So it's a little bit like that. But, from that, you can do lots of things. The first and most important thing is that the cloud is where you run your program. So it means that when you think about running a program, you usually think about running something from a user interface or from the command line or whatever. And it's something that's happening in your computer, in your desktop, in your laptop, whatever. It's no longer that way. So nowadays, almost every single program, almost every single application that you are running is running in the cloud. So that means that it's running in a data center, it's running in somebody else's computer. But once again, it's something that's a bit more complicated, because it's also, the cloud is a virtualized resource on tap. So that means that you pay for the resources you are using, not for the infrastructure, not for whatever you are not using anymore. So it means that you can use many different things at many different levels just for the things that you use. When you stop using it, you will stop paying for it. And that also means that you have scaling out of the box. So just imagine that you are running a program, then all of a sudden you get like 1 million customers, like Pokemon Go, all of a sudden another country goes in, and then you have you need to put like 1 million servers more online. If you do that physically, it would take a long time, it would be very expensive, and then people will get bored 2 weeks from now, they will just disappear, and you will be there with lots of very expensive hardware that you no longer can use. On the other hand, when you do something on the cloud, scaling is out of the box. I mean, not really out of the box. In fact, everything you do and everything you program, everything you design around the cloud is designed around the fact that you are going to scale it eventually, and that it should be possible to scale it. So Pokemon Go, when it happened, all of a sudden you had like 1 million users more. What did it do? Just paid for more resources from Amazon, and that was it. I mean, it crashed, of course, because maybe some part was not so scalable, but it still was working. This is also very important, infrastructure as a code. As I said, you pay only for what you use. Just imagine that the cloud or your computer were like a car. So, and just imagine that you could just go online, just write like a recipe, saying, I want this kind of car. I want a Lamborghini Miura, beautiful car, incredible car. I want these tires. I want it in pink, because it's not enough that you have a Lamborghini